Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're switching it up, doing some hair stuff today. I have been obsessed with like trying out new hairstyles and stuff, and I love creeping on Pinterest, seeing what's out there, seeing what other people are doing. So I figured, why not make a video out of this of me testing new hairstyles. I love wearing my hair up. For some reason that's been my obsession lately, like just in a cute little updo. So if you want to see me test out some new hairstyles from Pinterest or either TikTok, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first one, I'll probably try and like put it on the screen somewhere. This is called like the knot your bun. You're basically tying your hair into knots and then making a bun out of it. So I think I'm just gonna try to use this scrunchie for this one. So I'm gonna try and turn myself around here. So what you want to do, part your hair into two. So I have two pieces right here. What it shows to do is to tie your hair in a knot. So taking one piece through the other like so, and then you want to do that again. Tie your hair in a knot again. So our hair should look like this. And then I take my hair tie, put these down here. And it says just to wrap the excess hair around the ponytail. And then I would obviously just like pull down some little baby hairs like such, or you can pull down some bangs, maybe fluff this up. And oh my gosh, I'm loving this. This is cute. Oh yeah, this is total vibes right here. I obviously need a mirror to like look at it. Okay, hairdo number one. I am already loving this. Like I don't even want to take it out to redo my hair. Like I love this. This is so cute, so easy. Way easier than trying to do like a messy bun, because those just end up a disaster for me. But this is so cute. I'm loving this. And yeah, let's go ahead and move on to hairstyle number two. Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna need a regular size ponytail, a littler ponytail band, and then a few bobby pins. This one, I think it's called a top bun hack. So it says to just pull out some front hairs, which is my vibe lately. I've been loving these front hair baby pieces and hanging down, you know. They're a little messy. I need to wash my hair, honestly. But we're just gonna leave those down. And then it says you want the rest of your hair in a high pony. I have it kind of at the top of my head where I want it. Now it says to make your ponytail tight. Wrap it around like 3 times. So it's just gonna look like this for right now. And then it says to split it down the middle as such. And then you take your little rubber band and you just like create a donut, it says. So just kind of wrap your hair around the pony. Actually, we're just gonna do this. Hopefully it doesn't break. I'm gonna use a bigger one. Oh wow, let's try this again. So create my donut. This is harder than it looks. That was the weakest looking donut I've ever seen, but okay. That is not gonna work. Maybe I need to use like an actual ponytail. Here we go, I've got like an actual smaller ponytail. Okay, so once you have that created, you kind of just like loosen it up. Anyway, we're gonna try that.
I look just so cute right now. Oh my gosh.
And then I have a lot of hair left over, more than what the girl showed. Like I think I have longer hair than she does, but she just like takes the additional and twist braids it. And then she just wraps the rest around her hair and then secures the end with a bobby pin. I'm gonna use a few bobby pins because it's like sticking out right there. And just secure the rest of it too. Okay. I mean, it worked. It's definitely not my favorite by any means. I feel like the donut for me just did not do it. I like the idea of twisting the excess and wrapping it around the bun, but the donut for me is just like not it. Like I don't like that part. Maybe, I don't know, it was a lot harder to do than I thought. Maybe it's because I have longer hair than the girl that actually is doing it, but I don't know, maybe I'll try it and work with it and get better at it. It is a lot easier than, again, trying to create a messy bun and make it actually look cute, but I just need to get better at the donut part of it. So this next hairstyle is the one that even created this video idea for me. Like I saw it and I was like, oh my god, I want to try that so bad. It looks so cute. It looks easy, but there's a lot of steps. But yeah, let's just go ahead and see how we do this. Okay, I'm going to turn around again. But first you want to like kind of put your hair, you can really put your hair at any height level. In the video, this girl's hair is kind of like mid behind her head right here. So I'm just going to kind of work that way and put a ponytail right there. I'm grabbing some hairs. Maybe I'll put it a little lower. Again, my hair looks longer than this girl's hair, but we'll see how this goes. Okay, so I have a low pony, and then it says to part your pony into 3 different sections midway through, I think. And then I'm gonna take a little rubber band and put it about halfway through. I guess this is halfway through. I can't really see. I'll pull it down a little bit. So there's one. I want it even with the other one, so I'm gonna see where I need to put this, about right here, I guess. So I have 2 right there, and then I just need to put my other one. Okay, as you can see, I have 3 sections of hair. And then what we do is we take each piece, split it in half, and then we do the old flip around, pulling the end of the hair through the parted pony. And so I'm gonna do that to the other 2, splitting my hair and pulling the end of it through the pony. And so it creates this little like twist. So now we have 3 sections with twists in them, and then what we do is we take another pony, and we actually take the ends of our twist, which I think I have them at different lengths, which that's cool, and then we actually like create a pony where our ponies end, if that makes sense. So I'm going to create a pony like right there. So now it should look something like this, I am hoping.
I picked a great date to wear a scarf in my tutorial.
I'm going to take all this extra hair and I'm going to put a pony like halfway through again. So now I have this pony below, and then I'm going to split it down the middle again, and then I'm going to pull it through backwards. So it looks like that. Oh, that feels so weird. Then I'm gonna take this additional pony that we just did and pull it over our ponytail piece. So get this all gathered and put this over our hair, where it looks like that. And then you just split these 2, kind of curve it, and you're gonna pin it down right here. So I have no idea how good this looks, but we're just gonna look. We're gonna see. I'm just gonna take some bobby pins and secure the ends kind of tucked underneath our ponytail. And how does that look? It feels really kind of weird, honestly. I'm going to get a mirror and look at the back. From the side, it doesn't look terrible. And I should have like fluffed this up more just because I like a little messy top. And obviously you don't have to split your hair down the middle like I do. I just kind of really like this middle part. This hairstyle, I don't know. Like, I just feel like I had very high hopes for it. I expected to love it so much, and I don't know that I do. I mean, I would obviously spray my hair and stuff, but since I have like other hairstyles that I'm trying to do, I'm not trying to like use hairspray. I don't know. I feel like it's very floppy. I don't really love a floppy look. And I don't know if it's because like my hair is longer than that. Maybe I didn't place like the hair ties far enough up on my strands. That's why it's floppy. I don't know, but I feel like it's kind of weird. So far, my favorite hairstyle is the first one, definitely, without a doubt. But yeah, let's see what else we have. Okay, so for the next one, I actually think I'm gonna part my hair to the side, maybe, if it doesn't look crazy, which it does, but just kind of work with it. Okay, so that's what we're gonna work with right now. I'm gonna split my hair down the middle and create 2 ponytails pretty close together. So I want it to look like that. And then I'm just gonna like kind of fix the front because this looks crazy. And I don't really want you to be able to see that I split it down the middle because it's actually just gonna look like one. Okay, so from the front you can't really tell that I have it parted down the middle, which is what I want. Now it says to split the ponytails in half, and you just do like a little twist braid. Then it says to use 2 clear hair ties, but obviously I don't have clear hair ties. The girl that I'm watching the video, she has blonde hair, so that's probably why she uses clear, but I'm just gonna use black because that's what's gonna hide in my hair. So you just twist it to kind of make things stay, and then you take the end of it and you're gonna put it through your ponytail. Just like the end of it, you want it through the actual ponytail holder so it kind of looks like this. Okay, now that we kind of look like a 12-year-old girl, next we actually take one of our things, hold it open, and we're going to put the other one through it. So I'm going to take this one, put it through this. Now we have to like bobby pin it and like pancake it to where it like makes it look fuller. So I'm just going to bobby pin a few pieces so I can do so. This is not feeling like it's doing anything. I'm trying to like pull it apart and pancake them. So it's actually like not looking terrible. I feel like if you play with it for a while, you can actually get it to look really cute. But I feel like kind of doing this to my own hair, I don't know, I'm not that great of a hairstylist person. I've been playing with this and I'm really actually starting to like how it's turning out. I just have to hide my ponytail right here and then I need to pull this one up. So I feel like this doesn't look bad. If you work with that hairstyle, it's actually not bad. Like the hairstyle is called like fake and updo. So you're basically taking an easy way of creating like a more formal hairstyle, which is what it basically is. So I just threw on like a pair of dangly earrings just to kind of dress it up a little bit. And I feel like it does look pretty formal like an updo. This is the only problem that I see right here is like I can't get this piece right here to do anything. But to do my hair like to go to a wedding or something and I want it up, I would do this. Like I think it's cute. And yeah, there's hairstyle number 4. Okay, and for the last hairstyle, it's kind of like a more formal updo again. This one looks much simpler. Just going to create a low pony. Once again, if you can't tell, low ponies are my thing. And then it shows them like pulling out and kind of doing the hair after you've done the formal do, but I'm gonna do that first just because I feel like when I pull out after, I always ruin my bun or whatever I'm doing. So I'm just gonna pull out now. And a lot of times I will literally just wear my hair like this, like a low pony, wrap a little piece of hair around my ponytail and just call it good. Like I love this hairstyle. Okay, this is something I've never seen or done before, but it shows to like pull your hair apart kind of in the middle of before you do your pony. So you pull your hair apart like this, kind of get it loose. And then you actually are going to take your ponytail and pull it through this way. So it's like a side of what we did earlier. And it shows you want to like tighten it. So it looks like that. This feels really weird. Yeah, this is the hairstyle. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm gonna put a ponytail like right at the end, right where like no hair will fall out, I guess. So we're kind of like off to the side of ponytail. And basically what we do is we take this hair and we kind of like roll it up into, basically we're just rolling our hair into itself to make a little fancy bun. Then we take bobby pins,
drop them in our scarf,
and we secure this bad boy like right at the middle. And you want to secure the bottom because it's falling out. And then we want to secure the top as well. I don't know, I feel like I like this one, but it also kind of feels like I have like a bird's nest or, you know, something on my head. Like, I feel like it looks maybe pretty from this way. But then when you like look at it this way, I feel like that's a bird's nest for sure. I don't know, it looks way better on the model than it does me. Like I say, I think I like it, I just don't really know. Like I probably would wear my hair like this again for something like more formal or date night or something like that, but just like an everyday like low messy updo hair bun thing, no, not really. So yeah, I don't really know. I feel like I should have rated these, and if I were to rate this one, I would rate it like a probably a solid 6, no more than that. So yeah, that was hairstyle number 5. Okay guys, so that is gonna do it for today's video. I loved the first hairstyle so much that I went and threw my hair back in that style because this is probably going to be my new go-to. So if you see me wearing my hair like this in a lot of upcoming videos, don't be alarmed. This is your forewarning now. But yeah, I liked doing this video. Like, I feel like it got me out of my element of makeup and into like hair, and I liked trying out new hairstyles. There were a few that I could really see myself doing. So yes, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comment down below what you want to see next. If you like me doing these hair videos, definitely make sure to let me know so I can find some more for you and do them. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys! Go out and make the world smile!
Good lord, that sun is getting bright. My nose is running. I need to wipe my nose. This is so gross, but I don't have a Kleenex. Yeah, I got stick on my teeth. Okay, well, what are you doing? Like,